The following portion of Studio 512 is sponsored by KXAN Makeup. Guys, our resident makeup guru is in the house today. We're so excited. It's Karen Helton of KXAN Makeup with a few of her favorite things, ideas for makeup lines and gift sets for the holidays. We trust her expertise. Karen, good morning.
Good morning. I'm always happy to be here with you, Rosie.
I love having you in this studio. Okay, we're going to talk about some brands that folks may know, but actually you brought me some brands today that I had never even heard of, and I'm pretty into makeup, y'all. So, okay, let's start over here on this table. Westman Atelier, that's Gucci's little makeup line, and I have one of their lipsticks. I'm obsessed with it.
Right. So I have three favorite wide market lines that I love. I mean, I sell Senna, Girlactik, and Blinc Cosmetics, but sometimes I like a wider range. And you know, as makeup artists, we explore everything. So on a daily basis, clients are asking, well, what do you like? What are your favorite? And why do you like them? Westman, I love, it's a clean line and it's fail-proof. Anyone can use it. It's a no makeup look. And like you said, these little creamy lipsticks, I know you have them.
Yeah.
They are amazing because they stay on.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I've taken the words out of your mouth. They stay on forever, which for a lipstick that's not a truly matte lipstick, for something that's still hydrating, a really big boost.
Right, and saturated color, it's great. And these, I mean, these are their holiday sets. You can get them at Valentine's Boutique. They have one on 34th and one in Davenport Village. Love these. I love working with them when I'm teaching lessons out at Valentine's. So those are great products. My next line, Victoria Beckham. Okay.
I'm surprised that Posh Spice has made something that you like so much.
I love everything in this line. These are like a color wash blush. I'm actually wearing it today
it's gorgeous on you.
with this one.
Yeah.
I love these, and they come in a coral. This is called Flushed. It's my favorite, and then like a rose color.
Lovely.
And I love her eyeshadow palettes. This is a new release, the Cocoa palette, very popular, as well as a Cocoa Pave pencil for the holidays. It has a little bit of sparkle in it. It's gorgeous. And then of all the Cocoa Brown mascaras on the market, I love their Cocoa mascara. I love everything in this line.
I'm really impressed that, because she's been around, I don't want to say a long time. She would probably hate to hear that. But the idea that she's secretly so good at makeup, I'm pretty impressed by that. Okay, next we're talking Hourglass, which has become a fan favorite. And I have to ask, are you wearing Hourglass on top of your Victoria Beckham right now? Or because I was going to say, you look so shimmery and gorgeous. I love what's happening with your cheeks.
Oh, thank you. I love this line, and this is their collection. So basically every year they come out with an artist that does these, and I have clients, two of them, that it's 6 a.m. we're texting, the line launched, did you get your palette? I love the ambient light. I like their foundations. I like a lot of things, but these are fun because they make you look luminous without looking like a light tower when you move back and forth, right? And they look good on mature skin, they look good on young skin, and they're great because you could take these palettes on a trip, use it as bronzer, blush, eyeshadow, full powder. They are excellent. The whole line is great, but I'm really intrigued with these, and I use them a lot when I do bridal makeup.
And I really love how artistic they are. They look really gorgeous.
Right.
Okay, this is a word I've never seen before. I wouldn't even attempt to pronounce it. It's a Chantecaille?
Chantecaille.
Okay.
Yes. And I love this line. They had a portion of their proceeds when they create a line. Like recently, it was the Mustang line, and it went to Mustang Rescue.
Oh, wow.
They've had it for elephants and different things. So
you
I
have
like
horses,
that.
so
Right,
this is,
right. So
true,
it's close to my
your
heart.
Yeah.
But their cream shadows are beautiful. This is their holiday collection. They have a highlight powder. I would open it up, but I want everyone to see how pretty it was. And this blush is gorgeous.
Yeah.
I have mixed that in with my Hourglass today, and I love it. And the lipstick I have on is out of the Elephant collection, and it's called Burberry. It's really a great color for the holidays. And I love these.
It's a nice pop of red.
Thanks. Now these are some of my favorites that I've just kind of stumbled onto.
Okay.
Mario, Makeup by Mario. A lot of people know about it. It's a great line. This is their ethereal. I love it because all the eyeshadows can work with everyone. They're beautiful. It's I think it might be in a limited edition. I don't know for sure. I also love Senna Concealer.
Well, and Senna was the brand name of the woman who was your mentor.
Yes.
So
yes, still is my mentor.
And so, you know, I know that you're closely tied to that
Right.
line.
I
Yeah.
love this line, but I cannot find another concealer on the marketplace that is better than this. It brightens your face. It's smooth. It has lots of nutrients. It's great. And everyone that I sell it to loves it. The other thing is Girlactik. I love their glow. I use that a lot of times. I put a little on my face right here, down the nose, Cupid's bow, under, cheeks. Super soft highlight.
a little highlight.
It's a great one. This, Gen C. That is a fun line I found on Instagram.
I was gonna say it's another one I've never. It's not Gen Z, it's Gen C. Yeah, like
Yeah.
you can see at the bottom of your screen there, but
And
I've never heard of it.
I know, but I found it on Instagram and I love it, and they're great cream shadows. Another one I like is Violette. This is their hair powder, and it has a little refill that you can put in so you don't have to buy a whole new one. But it's great. It smells wonderful, and it really does work as far as a hair powder. They also have their eyeshadow paints, and these are their rose-colored lip paints. These things stay on. You might have to add a little bit of a lip balm to them.
Okay.
The stay power is insane. And then Finding Ferdinand.
That's another one. Finding Ferdinand, had never heard of it before this moment.
Oh my gosh, I love this line. Excellent lip pencils, their blushes. For someone that likes a little pop, they've got it, but they've also got, if you're not into blush, a soft pop. Their glosses, they're known for this black, the black cherry, the Age of Provocateur. This lipstick or lip gloss is just amazing, as well as the lip balm. That's one of their claims to fame.
This looks very, very dark to me. When it applies, is it more of like is it Clinique, like Black Honey sort of thing?
A little bit like that it goes on, it looks good on everyone, and it's just a hint of color.
Okay.
I love it.
So this, I think, is actually really good for those of us who love makeup, who want to maybe try something new. But for anybody who's kind of struggling and does want to buy makeup for someone, you say Valentine's is maybe a good place to go to just have a conversation.
Right,
Yeah.
absolutely. Especially if it's someone that you're not sure if they're really comfortable with makeup or they're just kind of branching into it. I mean, for someone that loves it, these lip colors are amazing. If someone's just kind of getting into it, their eyeshadows, their highlighters are great. I mean, all of these lines are pretty simplistic. The most intense, I would say, would be the Violette with their eyeshadow paints and their lip paints.
Takes a little bit of effort.
But
we always appreciate your expertise. Karen, thank you. Good to see you.
It's good to see you too.
All right, learn more about Karen's services at kissandmakeup.com. And the preceding portion of Studio 512 was sponsored by Kiss and Makeup.